Did I waste my money? Was it worth it? Y'all be the judge. Yo, what it is, YouTube? Yeah, like I said in my last video, after Greg showed me his new exhaust, I was like, I need to upgrade. Ready? Full tilt? Oh God. You want to go full tilt or no? First no, then yes. Wow. Oh shit. All right, go full. I'm sure. Like, I've known I like the exhaust, but I've been wanting something a little more fierce. And after I heard his, he just sealed the deal. I was like, I need something more fierce. So I was gonna do, so the exhaust that he does have is a Meister Shaft GT2 to the same Mach Schnell X pipe. So we had the same X pipe, but I was gonna do that, a GT2, but I didn't want to have the exact same sound. So I actually ended up sourcing a Remus Race because I've been like, for no real reasons, because I've never actually really heard one other than like on YouTube, but I've always wanted to know what that setup sounded like on the M3. So instead of going with what I knew would have been perfect in sound, I guess, so to speak, I went with the objective of finally figuring out if this sound is as good as I think it is in my head. And if I don't like it, I sell it and I start all over again. That's the exhaust. I'm excited. And you know, got the carbon tips, pretty cool. New connecting pipes, and about to get this bad boy installed. So obviously I'll show you guys kind of what the current sound is now on the car, and then show you the new sound once we get the new exhaust on. Check it out. So we got the old exhaust off, as you guys can see here. Gonna miss this bad boy. Debating if I'm gonna sell it or not. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna like this sound yet. So if I don't, then obviously this will go back on. This will be back on M3 Post, up for sale. But probably I'll like it. I think. I honestly don't think it's gonna be like a different character of sound. I think it's still gonna be very art or NASCAR down low V8. Hopefully more refined, because obviously with it being a Remus, they're supposed to design it to have better sound. But the sound characteristics of this one's great. It just lacks on like downshifting pops consistently, which I just didn't like. But once we get this on, we'll test the new sound and see if it's any better. I think it's my 4th setup now in the last 2 years, so I need to slow my roll. Not the best lighting down here, but trying to clear these bad boys off. This right here is the hardest thing of the whole freaking exhaust removal. It's like, yeah. I'm trying this again because when I was first about to do the video, my GoPro died. So back at it. I haven't gotten a chance to try and hear the car myself from outside, as well as trying to capture some flyby footage. About when I first started it up, I was like, it kind of sounds similar. It does and it doesn't. This is all just amazing. And I already know my neighbors are not about it. They're not about this exhaust. This exhaust is way too loud. It really is too loud. I wish I had valves so that I could drive sensible, so I could drive quietly through the neighborhood. This ain't one of those exhausts for driving quietly. But I will say, I'm gonna love it. It's gonna be loved, but it's the real deal. This thing is a beast. But instead of trying to explain to you guys how it's the real deal, why don't you guys check it out? So exiting my driveway is a freaking chore. Not ideal. Not really a fan of it. I gotta hit it the perfect angle or my lip will really explode. But you can probably hear some of that echoing of this exhaust off the houses and stuff. I mean, this exhaust is freaking loud. I thought I seen loud, heard loud. This is loud. So it still has that very similar startup sound, which I like. So really no complaints there. I honestly still like that it has that deep V8 sound. But when I get on it and when I downshift, that's where this sound is transformed. It's like it's on a whole new freaking level.